Hey, attempting IELTS? I know, it's a roadblock to study abroad and immigration, isn't it? See, there are a number of approaches to attempt IELTS, but most of them are linear, aren't they? As an IELTS instructor myself, it is crucial for me to have an approach that matches your learning styles. Whether you enjoy asking questions, why does it work? Or you're curious to know, how does it happen? Even, what's in it for me? Or, so what's next? These 4 questions are crucial for you as learners. You want to know how? Let's begin. In listening module, most of the students complain that the audio is too fast or even the accent is hard to understand. I'll give you one tip that works for all. Pay attention to what is being said rather than how it is being said. And you're on your way to hitting a 7 band or even an 8 in 3 days' time. Yes, it's good for those who are eager to score an 8 in listening. You must be wondering and asking a question, what about reading? It's pretty unfortunate we don't read regularly, but that should not stop you from hitting a 7. When you confront a passage, pick up a paragraph and read it as quickly as you can and give it a heading. You're on your way to hitting a 7+ then and there. And of course, with 3 days training, there is an added benefit. You will not only learn reading, but also those tips are going to help you in writing effectively. Yes, you heard me right, writing effectively. This module gets most of the students frustrated because 90% of them are not aware of the writing structure. Don't worry. I have a writing checklist for you to check your writing in the right way. WhatsApp inbox to get your free copy now. And don't worry, you're in the right hands, trust me. Now lastly, the speaking module. Most of you might be wondering, my speaking is not fluent. I make grammatical errors. My vocabulary is not enough. With my tried and tested method that not only I have applied to professionals, but teachers also, I can make you speak for more than 2 minutes, which is crucial in IELTS speaking test. Of course, the remaining part 3 and part 1 are added benefits to it. 3 days time. If you want fast results, sign up now. And don't worry, you can afford it. Your IELTS instructor, ZEESHAN.